Welcome to the exciting holidays on May 24th. This special day is full of celebrations for everyone, no matter what you like to do. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax, there's a holiday for you. Don't forget to send happy thoughts to those having birthdays or other important events today. National Brothers Day. National Brothers Day is observed annually on May 24th in the United States. This day is dedicated to celebrating the bond between brothers, an often complex but deeply meaningful relationship. This day offers an opportunity to appreciate and express gratitude for the brothers in our lives, whether they are siblings by blood, or men we share a bond with that is like that of brothers. It is a day to reflect on the importance of brotherhood, the memories made, the fights, the reconciliations, and the growth that occurs in these relationships. Celebrations can be as simple as sending a heartfelt message to your brother, spending quality time together, or even giving a gift. The main goal is to show your brother or brother-like figure in your life how much they mean to you. Tiara Day. Tiara Day is celebrated annually on May 24th. This day is not just about wearing a tiara, although that can be a fun part of the celebration. Rather, Tiara Day is about celebrating the crowning glory of women, their intelligence, dignity, and spirit. The day was created by Barbara Bellissimo in 2000 as part of her Seasons of Success program. It's meant to encourage women to embrace their inner queen, to feel empowered, and to be confident in themselves. It's a day to remind women that they are capable, strong, and worthy of respect, just like a queen. While wearing a tiara on this day can be a fun and symbolic act, the real point of Tiara Day is to promote self-esteem and confidence in women. It's a chance for women to celebrate their accomplishments, abilities, and potential, and to encourage one another to strive for success. In essence, Tiara Day is about celebrating womanhood, recognizing achievements, and promoting female empowerment. Aviation Maintenance Technician Day. Aviation Maintenance Technician Day is celebrated annually on May 24th. This day is set aside to honor the skilled men and women who ensure the safety and functionality of aircraft worldwide. The date was chosen to honor the birthday of Charles Edward Taylor, the man who built the engine used to power the airplane of the Wright brothers. Maintenance technicians are critical in the aviation industry. They perform regular inspections, repairs, and comprehensive maintenance on aircraft to ensure that they meet safety standards. Their work is essential to the safety of passengers and the efficiency of the aviation industry. On Aviation Maintenance Technician Day, airlines, aircraft maintenance companies, and other aviation organizations may hold events to honor and appreciate their maintenance technicians. These might include special recognition awards, meals, or other activities designed to express gratitude for their hard work and dedication. National Scavenger Hunt Day. National Scavenger Hunt Day is celebrated annually on May 24th in the United States. This day is dedicated to the popular game where participants follow a list of clues to discover objects or complete tasks. The scavenger hunt game was first invented by American professional hostess Elsa Maxwell in the 1930s as a fun and interesting party game. It has since evolved into various forms and can be played in numerous settings, from informal parties to corporate team building events. On National Scavenger Hunt Day, people are encouraged to set up and participate in scavenger hunts. This could be a traditional hunt around your home or neighborhood, a citywide event, or even a digital scavenger hunt using online resources or social media. The day is all about having fun, solving clues, and enjoying the thrill of the search. Whether you're organizing a scavenger hunt for kids with simple clues and small prizes, or a more complex hunt for adults with a grand reward at the end, National Scavenger Hunt Day is a great excuse to enjoy this engaging and entertaining game. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.